got done. We came down the mountain, which was like up there, all the way up there. But we came back down to, this is what they call the 905. But right here we pulled up to this car. This shit got left behind, burned down. Fuck. Let me drive about. Shit, damn. This shit just. Hey, what do you think this was? Subaru? Subaru? Oh, like, oh, yeah. Nah, it's not a Jeep, bro. Woo! No shit, 2JZ. Damn.
That shit was stolen, huh? Man, you got your fingerprints on that shit. That body was fine.
Oh, fuck.
We're shit sideways. You gonna make it up that hill?
What do you think?
Send it.
Nah, that's just too steep.
Oh, fuck.
Damn, that's just too steep.
Let's go back up and then we'll just go around.
Oh my god. Just gotta push it.
Yeah.
There we go. We have found them. Damn, people, we made it. We're under this bridge. Civic champ holding in there. Damn. So we thought about doing these right here, but that's just way too steep for the Civic. Like, I don't think you could really. Well, it's just like, I don't. It's way too steep. Like this shit is really like at a good maybe 45, maybe even like, I don't know. But that shit's just. Do you think it'll make it up this? Nah, huh?
I mean, I can record you. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Yeah, all day.
We'll go around. Look.
Alright, go.
I don't want to get stuck, to be honest with you. It looks fun, but it's gonna be a worse time.
Go that way, because right here is soft right here too.
I'm getting it unstuck and shit.
Go.
Well, the fucking shades right here, so. Alright, so right now we're going through the 905. We went the whole way and we're like pushing forward instead of going back the way we came, because I don't know why. But so we're like going through the map with the satellite and we're figuring out this shit little by little. We ran in through some mud, as you guys saw, but we didn't want to go through it just in case we didn't want to get stuck and then we're gonna be fucked for real. Oh wait, do we keep going straight? Go straight? Alright. So we'll see what we end up, but let's continue. Funny, because we were just up there at the top of that mountain right there. So now we're all the way at the bottom. Keep going straight?
Go ahead.
Oh shit.
Full sand, bro.
Full sand, brother. Oh, damn. Now we're really moving. dust behind us. Straight?
Slow down, slow down. Yeah, just keep going.
Oh fuck! God damn! We made it through.
Alright. Nah, bro.
Let me get some
Speed.
speed. Try one more time. Now we're gonna have to go back the other way, bro.
Yeah, let's just go back. You gonna try it one more time?
One more time. Try one more time.
So that.
Nah, huh? Alright, we gotta go back down.
Oh shit, hold on, bro. I'll throw it right there and then you gotta just go off road.
Hey. Oh, fuck.
We're going live. The beater. The beater. Boy, it feels different or what?
A little. Nah. Still a little dirty. Let's check it. Damn! Oh, fuck! Damn.
All the hoses good.
Running good though, running strong. Let me drive the boat. Get up. And this, we filled this up. Oh, hold on. Can't really see that shit. We filled this, I filled the tank all the way up. It only wasted like barely anything.
A little heat.
Hey guys, that was it for the off-roading adventure with the Civic. It was cool. It was fun. As you see, I can't push it all the way just because it's not really rear four-wheel drive or any kind of that, so I can't push it through mud. Not unless I have someone that's with a truck with me. I can't push it because I did not have anything to tow it out of there, and who knows if anybody would have came to help us get that thing towed out of there. I know sometimes people do come and help, but like I said, it's a risk. It's a really big risk that we took in this one. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and turn on notification bells to get notified when I post every time. Maybe I'll do this again somewhere else, I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. Bye.